I'm Peyton,
And I'm Shayla.
and we did our project on COVID-19 and Bruxism in TMJ.
I'm going to start with the introduction. So in 2019, a new type of coronavirus was discovered in China. The coronavirus called COVID-19 began to spread and make an unforeseen impact. Little did we know how much COVID-19 consequences would affect our daily lives. Our purpose in this table clinic is to bring attention to the various ways that COVID-19 has indirectly influenced the occurrence of bruxism and to educate and bring awareness. We can evaluate an increase in the incidence of grinding and TMJ issues associated to COVID-19, seen as a result of mental health changes, neglect of dental care, and poor personal coping methods. The thesis statement is that we can evaluate an increase in the incidence of grinding and TMJ issues associated to COVID-19, seen as a result of mental health changes, neglect of dental care, and poor personal coping methods. What do these terms mean? Bruxism is grinding, gnashing, or clenching of the teeth, and it can occur when you're awake or asleep. TMD stands for temporomandibular joint dysfunction, which can be associated with bruxism. Some signs and symptoms are jaw soreness, tense muscles around the TMJ, and attrition, which is also known as worn down enamel. You can also see chipped or cracked teeth from bruxism and TMJ issues.
So, one of the factors contributing to Bruxism and TMJ with COVID-19 are mental health changes. So, with a loss of social connection, throughout the pandemic, we were advised to quarantine and isolate ourselves to protect others and ourselves. People who are quarantined lose social connections and feelings of loneliness and anger, and it can develop. The pandemic has impacted social connections, which in turn can increase negative feelings. The anxiety and depression and stress people experience during COVID-19 may lead to TMD. So stress and anxiety is a factor that's also contributed with TMD and bruxism, but with COVID-19, stress and anxiety has gone up. As a result of mental health changes, oral manifestations such as bruxism and TMD arise. COVID-19 has changed daily life and has affected the public worldwide. And an unknown viral pandemic can easily give rise to stress, anxiety, and depression. Air travel was closed, public health emergencies declared, company shutdowns, and quarantines are situations that can negatively affect our state of mind. So, also, there was a increase seen in Google searches for bruxism. Mental health changes and higher levels of stress can contribute to bruxism TMD, but in May 10th, October, the relative search volume for bruxism and teeth grinding was actually significantly higher in 2020 compared to 2016 and 2019, both worldwide and the United States. Considering the higher number of Google searches for bruxism during COVID-19 in the pandemic time frame, it is evident that people may be experiencing indicative symptoms of bruxism.
Okay. Next, we're going to talk about the neglect of oral care. COVID-19 oral manifestations. The pandemic may have led to neglect of dental health care. Considering that there are oral manifestations associated with COVID-19, it should not be ignored. It has been shown that pro-inflammatory cytokines and stress involved in the development of periodontal disease and other metabolic diseases are highly elevated among COVID-19 patients. Not only is the periodontal disease a concern, as dental healthcare professionals, we can observe the oral cavity overall, and we are able to identify if there are underlying problems which can provide preventative treatment, such as evidence of bruxism. We can see that through attrition. Another factor is that there's reduced oral care. Since the pandemic has caused many hospitalizations and illnesses, the public may have neglect of their dental care. Long-term hospitalization of patients leads to reduced professional oral care visits. Considering that patients may not be consistent with their visits or their home care, they may not be aware of the potential damage that they have been doing to their teeth through bruxism or TMJ. Not only this, but missing routine dental visits can lead to further damage. Since the providers are not able to catch it early on and give recommendations based off what we can see.
So along with mental health changes, there's also poor personal coping mechanisms. So substance abuse and addictive behaviors had gone up since COVID-19 first took effect. Due to stress of COVID, many people turn to addictive substances such as tobacco or alcohol, which also may be related to incidences of bruxism, which we see the effects of bruxism here. The side has attrition and gum recession, and the healthy teeth are longer, the enamel's more present. But distressed people may take refuge in addictive substances to ally their negative feelings. So this can be a potential trigger, the development of the substances and abuse in high-risk groups, and also spike in instances and substances among the general population. So there's a surge of addictive behaviors, both new and relapse, including behavioral addiction in this period between 2020 and even now. So reportedly a surge in the sale of alcohol has been observed within the lockdown period. Also, they were open during the lockdown period because people needed access to alcohol because it kept them out of the hospital. But there was also an increase of people in the hospital with alcoholism. But again, reinforcing the origin of SUD in a population. So more stress, more anxiety, more people going through withdrawal, relapse, what have you, and causing more stress.
Treatment? Or conclusion? Non-treatment?
Yeah.
Okay, so ever since the start of the pandemic, we've been faced with anxiety and stress, which is strongly correlated to incidents of having grinding or TMJ issues. The pandemic has had a significant effect on our mental health, oral health, and personal coping choices. Bruxism can wear down the enamel and cause damage to the oral cavity. It is crucial that this information is provided to educate the public to self-reflect. A person who may be experiencing the signs or symptoms of bruxism or TMD should definitely contact their dental healthcare provider. We also wanted to discuss some treatment for these symptoms, what we can recommend when you come in. There are treatments to alleviate the potential effects of bruxism or TMD, such as stress management. Here we have some stress management devices.
So we have aromatherapy, something calming, sensing, gives you a sense of peace, candles, something like that. Then we have to relieve pain or stress, hot or ice contact to press, hold, and switch in between helps with swelling, helps with soreness, tenderness. And then same thing with helping with soreness and tenderness, rollers, anything could be hot, ice, cold, whatever feels best, but it's good to switch off and you can go around each side. And the best thing that's recommended by healthcare providers are a night guard. This is a hard, soft night guard, so you can grind and clench without damaging the night guard or your teeth. So the soft is lined in the inside and the hard is for the outside. So that way when you're clenching and grinding, it can stay in place without damaging the enamel or occlusal surfaces of the teeth.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Thank you for taking time to listen to our presentation today.